It has come to my attention that there are still some of you who don't know the difference between a leave-in conditioner and a deep conditioner. Luckily for you, I am here to fix all of that. Yeah. You cannot have a hair care routine without these three. But for some reason, people still confuse them. And if you use one for the other, you are not going to get the benefits or the results you are going for. AKA, it's not going to give what it is supposed to give. So what are conditioners? Conditioners are cosmetic products which are used to improve the texture, feel, appearance and manageability of the hair. Number one on the list is a deep conditioner. Deep conditioner penetrates deep into your strands or into your hair follicles and moisturizes it from inside. And like the name suggests, it goes deep into your hair follicles to moisturize it from inside, reduce frizz, repair damage, and leave your hair feeling soft and glossy. Deep conditioners are essential in preventing and combating breakage and damage to the hair strands. So how do you use a deep conditioner? First of all, you always want to make sure you start on freshly washed hair. The second thing is to apply generously, focusing on your ends because your ends are the oldest, weakest and most brittle part of your hair. If you have short hair, it is best to just rub it all over your hair and just massage it in. Because your hair is short, it's just going to take a little bit of effort. You just massage it all over your hair. But if you have a little bit of length, say medium to long hair, it is best to work in sections. You always want to put your hair in twists and make sure you work in sections to avoid tangling. So you want to focus on your ends. Always focus on your ends. It doesn't mean you're not going to apply the products throughout the strand of your hair, but you are going to pay a little bit of more attention to your strands, to your ends, because they are the weakest part of your hair. To rake the product all over your hair, each section. Make sure each strand of hair is coated. It is always advisable that you use the praying hand method. You make sure you rake the hair properly so that each strand has enough product. Next thing you want to do is to grab a plastic bag and tie that all over your hair. I usually go in with 2 plastic bags, and you can also sit under a hooded dryer for the time it says on the bottle of the conditioner, or you can just leave it in for like 30 minutes. I see a lot of people who leave their conditioner overnight or for hours while going about their day. So I want to categorically state that if you leave your conditioner longer for the time it says to leave it on the product, after 30 minutes or the time it says, there's no added benefit, because by then the conditioner would have already done what it was supposed to do. So leaving it on for more than 30 minutes isn't going to give you any added benefits. You can also sit under a hooded dryer or a heating cap, and those things are like everywhere, so you can get one all over in your beauty supply store. You can get one, but most times I sit under a hooded dryer. Deep conditioners are meant for the hair and not the scalp, so there's really no need applying it on your scalp. How often should you deep condition your hair? I think it depends on your hair needs, but it is always advisable to deep condition your hair at least 2 times in a month. That is 2 times every 2 weeks. That is what I do. I moisturize my hair every 2 weeks. I deep condition my hair every 2 weeks, and I always try to use heat so that it penetrates deep into my hair strands. Okay. However, if your hair is dry and brittle, I think you can use it once a week, and you should also know that anything you abuse is going to cause a problem. So if you use it more than once a week, your hair might be dry and brittle, which will also lead to breakage. So you want to make sure you stick to once a week or twice if your hair is very dry. Not deep conditioning your hair is also going to lead to dryness and eventually breakage, because your hair is basically dry and it's not nourished from inside, so it is going to be prone to breakage. So you always want to make sure you moisturize your hair at least 2 times in a month. An example of a good deep conditioner that I have used is the Originals hair mayonnaise, and you can basically find it everywhere and anywhere. Most beauty supply stores carry these products. And also another good deep conditioner is a Mega Growth leave-in conditioner. These are quite affordable and you can find them anywhere. Next is conditioners. Conditioners reintroduces moisture back into your hair, say within the week when you want to quickly moisturize your hair. Conditioners reintroduces moisture back into your hair and help to smooth your strands for shiny, soft, healthy. It is kind of like how you wash your face and then you apply a moisturizer. Conditioners help to reduce frizz, seal your ends, and works with defining texture. It also supports the polishing aspects to the hair, which will help in the overall growth of your hair. It also helps to moisturize hair and keeping knots away. How do you use a conditioner? You first of all want to make sure you start on freshly washed hair. Make sure you wash your hair and then you apply it from the midsection of your hair, from the midsection to your hair all the way to the end. So you want to avoid the scalp because it is going to cause build-up. So gently massage the product into your hair strands and make sure each hair strand is very coated. Once that is done, you want to leave it on for 1 to like 5 minutes. You don't want to leave it for more than that. Like I said before, leaving it after the stipulated time is not going to give your hair any added benefits. So you want to leave it for 1 to 5 minutes. Conditioners are recommended for people with low porosity hair and people who also work out, because you can do this bi-weekly. You can do this to reintroduce moisture back into your hair after working out, after washing your hair. It's like a quick way you can introduce moisture back into your hair. Instead of going the deep conditioning route, you can just condition your hair because it takes less time. And also this is good for people who don't have time to deep condition their hair every 2 weeks. So doing a conditioner also helps to introduce moisture into your hair, because it saves time for people who do not have time to condition their hair every 2 weeks. An example of a good conditioner is the Brigio Super Moisture Conditioner, and another one is the Tresemme Moisture Rich Conditioner. So these are examples of conditioner. Note, conditioners are different from deep conditioner. The next type of conditioner is the leave-in conditioner. It is left in the hair. Unlike the conditioner, the leave-in conditioner, you do not have to rinse out. Like the name suggests, you leave it in your hair. And leave-in conditioners come in different forms. They come in sprays, creams to butter. So there's a perfect product to suit everyone's preference. So a leave-in conditioner is a product that is applied after you've washed, condition your hair, rinse it out, and you apply it onto your hair. It's also known as a no rinse conditioner. Leave-in conditioners are products designed to moisturize and hydrate your hair. They also help in detangling the hair. Leave-in conditioners protect the hair from UV rays. It helps in detangling the hair. It helps to moisturize. It has many properties as the previous conditioners, the deep conditioner and the leave-in conditioner, which is perfect for every day because it is very, very lightweight. Leave-in conditioners are also good for styling. When you want to style your hair, it is always advisable you apply a leave-in conditioner so that it will help in the manageability of your hair. It's for easy manipulation. Otherwise your hair is going to cause breakage. Just spray your hair with water to hydrate your hair. Water hydrates the hair. Then you go in with your leave-in conditioner. Starting from the middle to the end, you work it well into your hair. You make sure it is thoroughly massaged, and then you go in with your oil or hair butter to seal in all that moisture. Because if you don't follow it up with an oil or a hair butter, your hair is going to dry out pretty quickly. So the duty of an oil is to seal in all that moisture from the water and the leave-in conditioner. So always make sure you go in with a hair oil or a hair butter depending on your hair type. An example of a good and affordable leave-in conditioner is the Mega Growth Leave-In Strengthening Conditioner. And I mean, Mega Growth is like everywhere, so the products are quite good and also affordable. Another one is the Mediana leave-in conditioning milk, and this is like the cheapest leave-in conditioner there is out there, and it is also quite good. So yeah, I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please leave a comment down below. Tell me what are your thoughts. Did you know the differences between these products? Is it your first time hearing that there's actually any difference? And if you're new here, please leave a comment down below and I'll give you a shout out in my next video. And if you've watched up to this point, thank you very much, and I hope to see you guys. I hope you stick around, and I have amazing content coming up, so stay tuned for that. Thank you very much for watching, guys, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye.